Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Infinite series can be tricky, but we will solve this one fast. Let us check if this alternating series converges or diverges right now. First, we look at the general term of our series. We have an alternating sign in the numerator, while the denominator contains a cosine function with an argument of 1 over n. Now, let us test the limit of the terms as n approaches infinity. Since 1 over n goes to 0, the cosine of that value actually approaches 1, not 0 at all. Since the limit of the terms is not 0, the divergence test confirms the series diverges. Option C is the correct answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for option C.